What is food and beverage manufacturing software? Food and beverage manufacturing software automates and manages tasks related to quality assurance, financial resources, and HR in order to monitor food safety, improve supply chain operations, and respond to consumer trends. Common features of food and beverage manufacturing software include food traceability, to identify spoilage in inventory ingredients, monitor products as they move through the supply chain, and notify users when expired items need to be removed from shelves. Recall tracking initiates a return request following verified reports of product or ingredient contamination. Seasonal demand forecasting tracks sales history and recommends the best time for ordering, production, and shipping. Recipe management stores and updates production recipes, documenting ingredient substitutions, scaling batches to meet growing demand, and encoding recipes to keep trade secrets protected. Our team of free advisors can give you a personalized shortlist of software options that fit your needs. Get customized matches in minutes by calling the number on your screen, or get connected with a free advisor by going to softwareadvice.com.